Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you are already subscribed. If you are not and you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join in the family. Today's video is a very small baby girl clothing haul. I have very kindly been sent 3 items from the brand called Kimi Bear. They got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to choose 3 items and basically just do a video and share with you guys some of the clothes they have over there. I will leave their link down below in the description box, and I've also got a discount code for you guys to get some money off down below in the description box, so check that out as well. But they gave me the chance to pick 3 outfits, which I have done, and they all came in these really nice bags. So I got 3 of those. The first one, I'm just going to pull these out randomly and I will show you Emilia wearing them. First thing I will say is all the fabric is really soft and really stretchy. So this is the first outfit. The other thing I will say is the sizes are quite big, so I've had these for ages, but Emilia's just been too small. She was a premature baby anyway, but she was quite small for them. She's only just starting to fit in them, and these are 3 to 6 on their website, and she's 5 months, and she's just fit in them, just to let you guys know. This is the first outfit, and all of them are very similar. I should have gone for something different, but I just loved all of these. So this is the first floral print, really like soft and stretchy material. Just feels like really comfortable. Like I would love an adult's version of one of these. There's beautiful detailing of ruffles on the side, and then it has poppers at the bottom, which is the most important thing, to be easily accessed to a nappy. Just like really nice and stretchy. I love the material, love the print, but it's just like really comfortable material. I'm not 100% certain as I'm filming this of the prices, but I will do my best to find them and pop them down below in the description box, so check those out if you want to know the prices. Next outfit again is floral. They're all floral, just to put it out there. So it again is that really nice stretchy material, and even Jay's mum, so my partner's mum, had felt Emilia wearing these and she was like, oh, that is so soft, where's it from? So that's somebody else's opinion, I'm sure she won't mind me saying that. But yeah, so you've got the really soft, oh, look how cute it is, really soft stretchy fabric. Again, easy to like get them into it, because Emilia hates with a passion getting dressed. Only like putting her arms in, she hates it. She like goes all like this, she doesn't like it at all. So this one looks like this one hasn't got any legs on it. This one is more of a sort of darker rose floral pattern rather than the pink. How cute is this? So yeah, this goes over the top. Probably need to just iron it first because it's been in the bag for a long time, but this is like super soft material as well, and I just feel like these two together would just be absolutely beautiful. And it does also come with spare sort of strip, which is used for a headband if you want it to be, or you could maybe use it as like a little belt to tie it round. But yeah, this is like a headband that it comes with if you wanted them to wear that. But that is the second outfit, and I love that. I just love the colour. She doesn't have anything at all like this in her wardrobe, and you'll see how much I love those colours because I ordered something else as well. So the final outfit, I don't know if this is my favourite one. I like them all, again, comes with a headband. This headband is a plain like maroony burgundy one. It comes with, Emilia's worn this, so I just need to take the arm out. I tried them on the other day. With a plain maroon matching, I need to iron it, body baby grey with long arms, which is always good in this weather when it's like sunny and then a cloud comes over and then it's horrible for the rest of the day. That it comes with, and I wish they did these in adult sizes, are the cutest trousers you've ever seen in your entire life. Like, they are so cute. They've got a really stretchy band here, which I find really important because I bought many leggings for Emilia that are her size, but it's so tight. I don't know if anyone else has experienced that. It's so tight here that it doesn't fit her, but the legs are like massively long for her. Maybe that just means she's got a bit of a belly on her at this moment in time. And again, they are like the softest stretchy fabric, and it comes with a little tie thing so you can tie them over, which I just think is like the cutest little thing you've ever seen in your entire life. Like, isn't that just so cute? Oh, I'm just like, And they are the clothes that I picked from Kimi Bear. I definitely want to get myself some more things. I had the most beautiful swimming costumes for slightly older children. I think it was 12 months was the smallest size, but they're just the most beautiful things. One was like a sort of like pastel mermaidy kind of vibe going on with like seashells and starfish. Oh, it was just beautiful. So yeah, watch this space for more hauls from Kimi Bear. But I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from me. And I hope everybody is well, and I will see you all very soon for another video.